Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable VPN on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, if you haven't VPN app installed at your device, you have to open up App Store and then just search for VPN in that way. And after that you can install any VPN app from that list. I use that one, so I'm just gonna hit add open to open up that app. I don't have a paid version, so I'm gonna use free version to show you how it works. And right here now it says disconnected, so I'm gonna hit right here at that power button to connect to the VPN. Then I hit add allow. It asks me to enter my passcode, and now it says connected. You can hop out from the top right corner to see this VPN icon. That means that you are currently at a VPN, and in any time you can open up that app and hit at that button to connect or to disconnect from the VPN. It may show you some ads on that steps. If you don't want to always open up some apps, you can do right the same things from your settings. So I'll just gonna hop out VPN app and open up settings. On settings, just right here, you can easily find that VPN option. Now it says not connected. You can tap on that to see your current VPN connections. I'm actually using two different VPN apps, so I got right here two different VPN configurations, and I can in any time use any of that VPN connections. As you can see right now, I'm not on the VPN, and I can just hit at any of that switchers to turn my internet connection to VPN. As you can see, VPN is turned on right now. Also, if you want to remove some of that VPN connections, if you don't need them anymore, you can hit right here at this I sign and then hit at delete VPN, just like that. And then you can use your another connection in that way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.